after EXT, my hair is super soft and smooth, super easy to comb out. I have no knots, I have no tangles, and the hair feels great and it has great moisture content. The first time I came to Hair Club for my initial consultation, I was concerned because I already have a full head of hair and very thick hair, so I wasn't sure how Hair Club could help me. I'm out in the ocean and out in the saltwater environments on a regular basis, and that has affected my hair negatively. Particularly, I have breakage at the temple right here. I have a lot of breakage. The hair always stays short, so I'm always concerned about that and trying to stop the breakage. Also, when I brush my hair, I've had a lot of knots, a lot of tangling, again, more breakage, as well as the ends of my hair get super, super dry from being out in the water, dry to the point that it doesn't even feel like hair anymore. But I ended up finding out the Hair Club offers me the best treatment in the world, which is the EXT treatment, in order to keep my hair super healthy while out on the water, stop my hair from drying out, and also stop the breakage. My in-center EXT treatment was absolutely amazing experience. The day started off by having a shampoo, after which she did a beautiful scalp massage, which was very enjoyable. And then I got the elixir with the heat lamp. After that, we just went on to the blow dry, cut and style. And lastly, I got a laser treatment and I was out the door. One of the best things I've ever done for my hair is come here to Hair Club and sign up for the EXT treatment program to keep my hair in the best possible shape it could be in, because I love my hair.